Nature doesn't waste. Not a single leaf, drop of water, or ray of sunlight is ever thrown away. It all flows, it all loops, it all returns. Nature is the original circular system. And if we want to build a sustainable future, we need to look back to the natural world. That's the heart of biomimicry. Biomimicry means learning from nature to solve human challenges. It's not just copying how things look. It's about copying how things work. How spiders spin silk stronger than steel without toxic chemicals. How trees filter air, store carbon, and build soil while standing still. How coral reefs build cities of calcium without machines or waste. Biomimicry gives us the blueprint. The circular economy is the application. Let's explore nature's loops and how they inspire circular design. Loop materials. Nature never creates materials that don't break down. Leaves, shells, feathers, every material in nature is biodegradable or endlessly recyclable. When something dies, it becomes food for something else. It's a perfect cycle. Inspired by this, designers are creating materials that act like nature. Packaging made from seaweed that dissolves in water. Fabrics made from orange peels. Shoes made from mushrooms. Even building bricks made from bacteria. These are materials with memory. Materials that know how to return to the earth. Loop 2. Systems. Nature is decentralized. There's no central planner in a forest. Yet it works because every part of the system is connected. Trees feed fungi. Fungi nourish soil. Soil grows plants. Plants feed animals. In circular design, we mimic this interconnectedness. We create industrial ecosystems where the waste of one process becomes the input of another. A brewery gives its spent grain to mushroom farms. A data center heats nearby homes using waste heat. A factory captures CO2 and feeds it to algae that make biofuel. These are not one-way systems. They're circular webs, just like nature. Loop 3. Regeneration. In nature, disturbance leads to renewal. A fallen tree becomes habitat. A wildfire resets the ecosystem. Nature doesn't just sustain, it heals. This principle inspires regenerative design. Farms that increase soil carbon. Textiles that clean the air as you wear them. Architecture that generates more energy than it uses. Circularity doesn't just aim to reduce damage, it aims to leave things better than we found them, just like nature. Biomimicry also teaches us efficiency. Did you know that termites build mounds with perfect temperature regulation, no electricity? Engineers studied them to design buildings that stay cool without AC. That's not just smart, it's brilliant design inspired by biology. So what's the takeaway? Nature has already solved the problems we're struggling with. It's had 3.8 billion years of R&D. All we need to do is pay attention. Biomimicry invites us to shift our mindset from dominators of nature to students of nature, from extraction to integration, from wasteful to wise. The next big idea in design isn't new. It's ancient. Circularity isn't just about materials or business models. It's about biology. It's about understanding the loops we're part of and designing systems that flow, not fail. Because the more we design like nature, the more our future will thrive. Welcome to a world where we build like coral, clean like forests, and grow like fungi. This is biomimicry in action. This is the next evolution of human design.